Hello, today's video is about my trip to Manali with my cousins. We went there in February 2020 and somehow I lost the original clips that ruined the quality. But anyways, make sure that you are watching in 1080 pixels 60 frames per second so that at least you understand what's going on in the video. So, we took a bus to Manali and booked a hotel that is located in the most famous tourist area of Manali called the Mall Road. We booked two joint rooms adjacent to each other so as to stay together. This whole video that I recorded was just to show our moms or for Insta stories, not for the purpose of YouTube. So that's why it's not so perfect. After traveling to Manali, we were all very tired. This was the backyard of the hotel where we were staying at. From here officially we started our first day at Manali. Then we took some mirror selfies with each other. And of course this is my brother irritating me as always. These were more pictures for Instagram. We booked a car as well as a guide to show us the places around. This is the hot water spring as well as a temple of Mahadev. Our next location was Hidimba Devi temple. Then we went towards the Manali Nature Park. Here we took pictures with the yak. This was the crossover bridge under which we took pictures. Now this is Himalayan Tibetan Buddhist monastery. Then we reached back to hotel and took some rest. And this is us getting ready for another day. Now we were off towards a very beautiful place called the Solang Valley. This is my favorite part of the trip. I threw some ice on my brother and it went into his t-shirt and he was very angry on me. But I took a selfie that made him smile. In this whole time on Solang Valley, we only had tea, Maggie and eggs because that was the only food available over the hills. Now we had an amazing time together. We took lots and lots of pictures. We also had this snow fight and it lasted maybe 15 to 20 minutes even after the camera was turned off. Yes, we had lots of fun together. Here he definitely misunderstood my weight. And of course, they never stop being childish at all. This was the time of using skis to glide on the snow. At this time, we asked our guide to make a video while we coming down skiing from the hill slope, but he made a video so late that we were already on the ground. And of course, as we are not professionals at skiing, so we were only allowed to ski at a simple slanting slope. Me and my sister took a tube ride or whatever it's called, and it was really very scary, far more scary than it looks. Now we were headed towards the peak of the mountain where a shivling made up of snow is situated and also a temple of Mahadev. was a long, long way towards the peak of the hill that we had to stop by. We took some pictures, relaxed, and continued walking again. And finally, this is what I was talking about, a shivling made up of snow. And while coming back down during the sunset, the next day of our journey started with paragliding, and this was the most thrilling day of my life. And I was so scared after signing those risk agreements. And as you can see, here I go. This is our next location called Jogini Waterfalls. Now we reached Von Nagari Monastery. It was very colorful and beautiful. Thank you. Please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon.